Meron tayong order package ngayon. So, mag-unboxing tayo. So, you know, I love healthy foods. So, tayo ng ito, hindi ko pa siya na-try. Pero alternate daw siya ng honey. Yeah, alternate siya ng honey. So, let's try. I'm so excited to try this. And then, ito, hindi ko pa siya na-try. Pero na-try ko na yung white chocolate na at saka yung isa pa, yung chocolate spread. So, try natin ito. And then, yung strawberry nila, strawberry jam. So, yan, zero added sugar siya. So, 10 grams of fiber. Tapos, ito, Choczero, peanut butter. So, siyang matry. Kasi matry. Tapos, ito as usual, favorite ko. And then, ito looks yummy. Ito, cookies and cream. Tsaka, ito hindi ko pa ito na-try. Peanut butter. Ito, hindi ko pa siya na-try. Pero, mukhang masarap. So, ayan. Try natin.